Hi, I'm Sam Ferreri from REMAX Top Realty in Houston. You may know me as LeadStreet Sam. I want to share with you my mobile marketing strategy that's built right into your LeadStreet platform that has helped me go from 0 mobile searches up to 10 to 25% of the total searches online that my customers are performing. Part of this strategy is understanding how your LeadStreet system works and employing a few simple techniques that are going to drive customers to your mobile sites. Let's take a look. This is my actual website, which is pearlandsam.com. But now over in the back end, you click into the listing manager and this page appears. Here's all of my current listings. Now, one thing that it does, it puts them in order by MLS number. So if you're good at remembering MLS numbers, this is great for you. If you put your cursor over the listing, it tells you the address. It's easier for me to find them by list price. So if I click the list price button, it puts all my listings in list price order from low end to high end. So now I've got my leases up here and then some little cheap HUD foreclosures and on down to some of the more expensive properties. But if I'm looking at one of these listings, and let's just pick this one at random, 4103 Mustang, and click the View button, here is the back end I have for this listing where I can do a lot of setup in here. But the thing I want you to notice is that this link right here is the samteam.com/the ML number. If I click it, it's going to open up a site that is already built. When you add a listing to MLS, it automatically uploads into LeadStreet with the pictures and the descriptions and creates a little website that looks like this. Now, you may know that this website is the samteam.com/the MLS number. Here's my MLS number. This site is optimized for mobile. So if I dial it in on my iPhone, boom, it will pop up and I'll see the site just like I see it on my screen here. This is very important. I can actually perform searches here for other properties online with the mobile optimized function of LeadStreet. What I do here is notice this is a standard for sale sign. A lot of agents are putting flyer boxes, so you have to print a bunch of flyers, put them in a little box, they get wet or they get empty and the seller starts complaining about it. What about putting an electronic flyer on your sign? So what I do is this address is 4103 Mustang. I go over to GoDaddy and log in and purchase the URL for the address. Here is my domain manager, and what I'm going to do is buy the URL. But instead of buying the .coms, which cost about $12 to $15 per year, depending on what their discount is at that date, I buy the address.info. And so then, if we look for 4103 Mustang.info, all I have to do is forward the domain to the samteam.com/the MLS number. So if I edit this, looks like this listing had expired at one time, so we took it off. We just added it back on the market. So what I'm going to do is back up and get the MLS number for that listing, which is right here. Copy it. Go back to GoDaddy. So now once I add the MLS number back in here, I just hit OK. It will take an hour to work. And now what I can do is, instead of putting flyer boxes on the sign, why not get a little sign writer that says, for more info, visit 4103mustang.info. Now, that's going to brand the address to me, the realtor, and to my page that will pop up like this. And you can start to get more customers to look at listings on your website using this simple mobile strategy.